Alright guys, I'm here sa Xiaomi store in Glorieta at I got here on my hand is the Xiaomi 14T at sa kabilang hand ko is the Xiaomi 14 Pro. This one, the 14T is priced at 25,999 at yung Pro version nila is 39,999. This is the 12GB, 512GB of storage at ito naman yung 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. So let's have a quick focus on the Xiaomi 14T. So maraming salamat po sa store dito. Pinayagan tayo mag-shoot at mag-vlog. I got a first hands-on test with the Xiaomi 14T at 14T Pro. By the way, I'm shooting this with the Xiaomi 13T. So full blast tayo. I have here some tech sheets at nalaman natin na the new 14T series is merong AI interpreter, AI nose, AI recording, AI subtitles, at yung kanyang AI erase feature niya. So, ganun try natin. So, ito siya. This is a Leica Simulex optical lens for the rear camera. Sony IMX9006 image sensor na gamit niya. Meron siyang leading AI experience. For the processors, as it's a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra. Next generation display na with 144Hz AI display at 67 watts hypercharge. So 12GB RAM, 256GB of storage, that's 25,999. At for the 512GB of storage, nasa 27,999 for the Xiaomi 14T. So let's do a quick hands-on test with this phone. Okay, kunin ko na itong phone ko. And dito tayo sa Xiaomi store in Glorieta. So maraming salamat. Dito kayo, kung bibili kayo, ito kayo bumili at pre-order is already started. So this is the Xiaomi 14T. So yeah, may mga features siya naka-display dito. Says here a master light capture night mode, next generation computation photography, at what else? Pro video tools, advanced AI, beautiful design, stunning display. Sabi dito MediaTek 8300 Ultra. Ito yung kanyang processor, 67 watts hypercharge. So charge to 100% in 45 minutes. Yun ang sabi niya dito. At you can pair it with the Smart Band 9, tsaka OpenWare Stereo. Yeah, for the specs, I mentioned earlier, ito yung mga specs niya. Let's experience the phone now. So this, ganda oh. This is the Xiaomi 14T. So ito yung kanyang SRP price, 25,999. Let's have a hands-on feel of the build of the phone. Ganda niya. Very square-ish na siya. Hindi na siya yung ganun medyo pagka-curve, but almost different yung kanyang likod compared to the 13T last year. So medyo square-ish na rin din siya. Kasi yung feeling ko 13T medyo curve ng konti. Ito hindi. It went back to the basic and classic. So this is the rear camera. Triple rear camera of the 14T. I forgot kung anong specs na itong rear camera na to. Hinahanap ko sa mga specs dito, hindi ko makita. And this is the front display. Ganda yung screen niya, oh. Very premium yung display niya, maliwanag. And this is the front camera. Ayan. So under the phone, the base niya is the SIM tray, microphone, USB Type-C, at meron siyang speaker grill sa ilalim, at sa taas meron siyang parang mini speaker grill, I think, tsaka microphone. So wala siyang 3.5mm jack. So connecting the earphone is through the Type-C. Sa left side is medyo malinis, clean. At sa right side is the power button and the volume. So I guess the I'm not sure if the fingerprint is sa screen, no? Parang same din siya for the pin code, no, nung inyong fingerprint, tsaka yung facial recognition syempre doon sa front camera. So going to the about the phone, it's 256 plus 8GB. So it means that meron siyang additional 8GB of expansion. Yeah, sabi dito plus 8GB I guess so, no? So check natin yung kanyang camera. Ito yung camera niya. There's a 0.6x, 1x, 2x, saka 4x for photography. At for video, you have 0.x, 1x, 2x, saka 4x. You can maximize that up to for the video, maximize natin. I guess hanggang, oh my god, teka muna, 16x na to eh. 20x, it's up to 20x for the video. For the photo lang pala, for 20x for the photo. For the video is, sagad natin, wait lang. I guess for the video is also 20x na rin din. Hindi, pupunta sa photos eh. Teka lang muna, wait lang. For the video, it's only 12x. But for the photo, gumaabot siya hanggang 20x. Ayan. So, let's do a quick recording. So, if I'm recording at 0.6x. I can shift to 1x, 2x, saka 4x. While recording, I go back to 0.6x. Pero wala siyang way to go back to the front camera. I can take pictures and press stop kung gusto mong pumunta sa front camera. So, I'm here recording using the front camera. Walang way makakapag-zoom in ba ako? Walang zoom. But I can take pictures and also press stop. So I'm shooting at 1080p 30 fps and I think this is the hanggang 60 kaya. 4K, may 4K siya for the front camera. 4K 30 fps lang siya. So for the rear camera, pwede siyang mag-shoot ng 4K to 60. 4K to 60 fps kayang-kaya niya. HDR, pag may on yung HDR. Pag HDR on is 1080p 30 fps lang siya. At meron siyang motion tracking icons. Ito pala yung mga settings niya. Meron siyang steady video for stabilization. Meron siyang steady video pro, which is for much more stabilized video. Pero very interesting tong yung ratio, aspect ratio. You can tinker this to 9:16 or a widescreen format kung you're filming a movie. You can use that. For the rear camera, pagka front camera, wala siyang cinematic style, no? Wala. But, meron din aspect ratio. Meron din pala siya for selfie. For self video, meron siyang aspect ratio na pang cinematic. And you also have a teleprompter for selfie if you want to do record. Di ko pa nagagamit to, yung mga ganito. Sa 13T meron yan, hindi ko pa nagagamit eh. And that's it for the movie. May movie mode siya for shortcut, pro mode, portrait mode. Portrait mode niya, you can choose 50mm, 75mm, 35mm, 23. So parang sinisimulate niya yung parang camera lens, no? Yung mga mirrorless camera or DSLR. Parang sa mga photographers, they know if naka 23, much wider, 35, parang mas closer like our focal ng ating mata. 50mm is for portrait, 75 is for portraits. Has documents, and for more, night mode, 50 megapixel, short video, panorama, slow motion, dual video, time-lapse, long exposure, and director mode for the camera. Also kanina, let me demonstrate to you yung kanilang AI thing. Ito ba ginamit ko kanina? Nawala. So hindi dito pala yung mga picture pala, pag tumatagal nawawala din pala yung picture niya. So for example, let's choose a photo here. I guess ito, no. So let's try the erase feature, no. Ano siyang erase feature dito? Ayan, erase. So if I want to remove people, I can choose yung mga naka-glow, no? For example, I want to delete that person. I press X. And boom, nawala yung tao bigla. Nawala yung tao for the comparison. Ito yung original. At ito na siya ngayon. Pero medyo malinis yung malinis yung pagka-erase, I like it. Ang ganda, oh. Yung mga tao, pinagbubura ko yung mga tao. Nawala. Ito lang, gusto ko itong mawala. For object, I guess pwede. Remove object, I guess. Iniscan pa niya. Gusto kong alisin to. Pwede ba yun? Kukoloran ko lang. Ayan. Ay, nawawala siya, natutunaw. Ayun, medyo nawala na. Hindi nga lang siya malinis yung pagkakaano ko. So, pwede mo siyang i-erase yung mga pictures, no? That's the thing with the new AI thing with Xiaomi 14 III at Xiaomi 14 Pro. So sabi dito, it has a AI interpreter, AI notes, AI recording, Google Gemini, circle to search with Google at AI sa. Kung circle to search, no, for example, demo tayo, no. gusto kong malaman kung saan country to. For example, so circle to search, paano pala ganahan? I'll just click this. Okay, so kailangan i-update daw yung map. So hindi ko alam kung paano yung circle to search, no? So anyway, di pa tayo nanood ng ng how to or the samples ni Xiaomi 14T. So after that, let's move on to the 14T Pro. So ito yung 14T Pro. Ito siya. This is a 39,999 for the 12GB of RAM, 512GB of storage. So parang napansin ko, no, mas mataas lang yung processor nito using the a much higher processor. Alam mo processor na gamit nito? MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. Yun yung kanyang processor for the Xiaomi 14T Pro. So let's check out the phone. So this is the rear camera, triple rear camera din. Yung likod niya, very clean. Parang mas ibas curve to, no? Parang mas curve siya. Oo. Ito medyo edgy. Ito naman yung likod niya, mas curvy. Yun yung sabi ko kanina Parang similar to 13T, mas may pa-curve yung body niya dito. So, this is the rear camera at ito yung front camera niya. Ayan. At ito yung screen. Sa ilalim niya is the SIM slot, microphone, USB-C, speaker grill. Taas, some speaker grill tsaka microphone. So, wala din siyang 3.5mm jack na slot. Sa left side, it's very clear. May guhit siya dito. May guhit siya. Pag may guhit dito, it means that you're using the 14 Pro. Itong 14T wala walang guhit sa gilid But this one, meron siyang guhit sa gilid. Pag may nakita ang guhit sa gilid, that's the 14T Pro. So mas maganda rito. I think baka mas maganda yung camera specs niya. Hindi ko na-check yung camera specs nito Maybe I'll put down sa ating tech rundown, no, para makita ninyo. So, okay, let's check the phone. About the phone. So, 512GB of storage plus 16GB of RAM. So, may additional siya. I guess 8 plus 6. 8 plus 8 yata to siguro, no? May expansion siya. And let's check out the camera. Camera is 0.6 for the photo, 1x, 2x, 2.6x, tsaka 5x up to wow, for the photo is 30x ang kaya niya. 30x for the photo. So compared to the 14T na 20x lang, to 30x yung kanyang zoom. Mas malakas yung zoom niya. For the video, okay. So I'm seeing a different kind of setting sa video. Bakit ganito to? So 1080p. Naka-cinematic ba tayo? Ayun, naka-cinematic off. Kasi naka-on yung cinematic. So in-off ko na muna. So I have 3.6x. 1x, 2x, 2.6, 5x up to ilan kaya to? So for the zoom ng video is 15x, which is dun sa 14T it's only 10 yata, no? So ayan, Pro Video. Alam mo ganda nito kasi dun sa Pro Video sa Pro you can choose what kind of Leica lens you are using. Same din sa 13T. So I think I'm choosing the authentic Leica lens in shooting. For the photo, for example, kasi ito naka-Leica tayo. Leica Vibrant, pwedeng Leica Authentic, or Leica dalawang siya. Vibrant at Authentic. So I choose Vibrant kasi mas gusto ko yung mas colorful yung photo niya. So documents and more. So ito yung kanyang settings ng mga other shooting mode. Same thing din sa 14T. Yung nga lang kasi almost the same siya, but the processor and the camera specs are much more different. Ayan. So let's shoot a video. So video is I can shoot to 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 2.6, 5x and so on, no? So I can change length, focal length pag naka-video, but I cannot go to the front camera. I need to press stop. And this is the front camera. There's no other way I can zoom in or change lens, but I can take a photo while recording. Ayan, okay naman siya. And for the photo, same thing din. Mabilis ganda ng photo niya. So let's try the zoom power. So this is 0.6x 2.x, 2.6, tsaka 5x. I think mga 5x tayo, okay na tayo, no? Medyo, meron siyang konting processing while taking photo. Pinapaganda pa niya kasi it's using the Leica lens at saka yung filter niya, yung parang camera photography nung Leica mode niya, no? So, which was vibrant. So, kanina, pag picture natin, nagbago pa yung kulay, mas naging vibrant pa rin din siya. So, I guess if you're going to buy the Xiaomi 14T, I suggest get the 14T Pro kasi mas sulit siya in terms of camera at zoom power. But if you're looking for a much more budget style, okay na rin din yung 14T kasi I'm using the 13T nga. Happy na ako for photography. It's very maganda yung kanyang camera quality when it comes, especially if it's under the Leica camera system. Alright, so I'll end on my video here. So, you guys finished the 14T tsaka 14T Pro. So, maraming salamat kay the Xiaomi store in Glorieta for this quick rundown natin with the Xiaomi 14T at 14T Pro. Bili na kayo dito at the pre-order is already starting. So, I guess makukumpleto na natin yung ating feature, no? Kasi after nung kanyang launching, tayo nakapunta, but we let Joe Serrano to cover the event for us at nakita natin yung what's going on sa live stream global launch ng Xiaomi 14T series. Alright, I'll end on my video here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And we'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro out now. So thank you so much kay Xiaomi Store Glorieta for
Xiaomi Daily pa.
Oh, yeah. Punta na kayo dito, i-pre-order, get your Xiaomi 14T series here sa Xiaomi Store in Glorieta. Thank you. Picture tayo, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Ayan. Sa-subscribe na. Oy, thank you. Nood kayo ano ko na ito mamaya, edit ko na.